Have larger capacity batteries, 15% larger than on the Watch 4 Classic.
Here's our quick hand.
The regular Galaxy Watch 5, both sizes, now sport a bigger battery compared with the old.
Life, but better.
If you want the best battery life going, then the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro could be the one.
The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has been tagged as a giant outdoor-friendly smartwatch, which is not suitable for those with smaller wrist sizes or who simply prefer smaller watch faces. In today's video, we will be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, outlining its specs and actual performance after 1 month of usage.
Okay, let's get started.
Design. One of the criticisms leveled about the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro was that it was excessively large. People, unfortunately, were unable to decide right away if it was a good idea to spend a few extra dollars getting this bulky beast over the Galaxy Watch 5, which looks more beautiful, at least in the opinion of the majority of people, as we usually do for most devices. First off, although Samsung said that the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro was 45.5mm x 45.5mm x 10.5mm, that measurement does not take the additional thickness that the sensor bump adds. This is a somewhat misleading way to state the watch thicknesses, but Samsung is not the only party at fault when it comes to this. Here is how DC Rainmaker puts it.
So I went to try to figure out what exactly Samsung is measuring, and here's roughly 10.5mm on this, and if we just align this, you can see it's essentially measuring the sidewall of the watch. That's it.
Do we need to doubt the effectiveness of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's other functions, particularly its health ones? The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has a couple of health functions that aren't completely functional, and we'll talk about those soon.
What do you think?
Keep watching to learn more. Well, how does the large-sized watch actually feel on your wrist? The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is not quite big compared to other fitness trackers. It is actually smaller than the 47mm and 51mm Garmin Fenix 7 and 7X, as well as the majority of other fitness watches. It will undoubtedly appear larger on you if you have a little wrist, but if you have medium-sized or larger wrists, it should fit just perfectly. The classy D buckle band will undoubtedly be lost if you decide to go for it despite having a small wrist. You will have a difficult time getting it to fit your wrist perfectly because it is pretty large. However, even if you are not trying for a sporty aesthetic like a typical Garmin will, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro may match your wardrobe. You can wear it as a consequence to go with your current sense of style. If you enjoy regular updates on smartwatches and wearables like this, then consider subscribing to our channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our timely updates. Battery life. The Galaxy Watch Pro has the best battery life of any Galaxy Watch to date thanks to its 570 mAh battery.
Oh my God! Wow!
But it is very challenging to reach the 80-hour battery life we were promised. Therefore, it is not realistic to have your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro last up to 3 days. If you really manage to get your battery to last that long, you will obviously have to give up far too many capabilities, such as the always-on display feature, GPS tracking, the always-on health tracking feature, and a whole lot more. Do you also wish to know the potential justifications for Samsung's removal of the rotating bezel? Keep watching to find out.
Okay.
Health features. Only cycling and hiking are now supported by the trackback feature, but it does function fairly well, and the vibrations and sound notifications will make using trackback more convenient. Both the heart rate monitor and the automatic workout detection are excellent. You can enable the fall detection option, which is also present. However, the temperature sensor is still not fully operational.
You just don't get it, do ya?
The touch bezel. The Galaxy Watch Pro's lack of the rotating bezel found on the Galaxy Watch 4 was another feature that most consumers did not appreciate. Though we agree with initial discussions, such as one that says, "It's not like customers have been complaining about the rotating bezel negatively impacting the user experience." If anything, it's one of the reasons why a lot of people buy a Galaxy Watch in the first place. The high-quality touchscreen seems to fit the fitness watch better. The Galaxy Watch Pro's titanium body and sapphire crystal glass display make it clear that durability is a key consideration in its design, and a rotating bezel just underscores that reason. Therefore, even if using the touchscreen when your hands are wet while engaging in outdoor physical activity can be fairly uncomfortable, you wouldn't give it up for a rotating bezel. And while the raised bezel obviously adds some form of extra protection to your screen, it always lends a lovely sensation to utilizing the touchscreen by serving as a border that your hands may rest on to improve the efficacy of the touch. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, therefore, has nice features that you will want to try. But is it really worth giving up the bulky feel in exchange for all the fantastic advancements? Tell us in the comments section. In order to actually tell whether the large-sized and obviously more expensive Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is worth choosing over the Galaxy Watch 5, you will want to check out our next video, Galaxy Watch 5 versus Galaxy Watch 5 Pro Hidden Features and Tips Review, to help you decide. See you in the next video.